Hi, alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. We actually, I don't know for what reason, this they did not record when I was doing it. But anyway, if you got stuck somewhere, just let me know. We will just put a wash basin, yes, or a sink, whatever you call it. Okay, and now we will connect this guy's outlet to the. This is the flow drain. Yeah. So what I'll do is I will take one of the pipes and do it like this. Just 1 minute. I have a longer one. He will tell you're crazy, but don't worry, you're not crazy. Just draw a pipe. What's the size? 32 millimeter. You're not happy with the size, I guess. Yes. Okay. It's just a family problem. Got it from the net. Before I do that, I will just align this. Looks aligned, but better to align. Go to view. Yes. So we can't change this height. We can change this, isn't it? Yes. Let's say align this guide. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Look at this. This is coming down. This is going down. It's not a right way to do it. If you are doing that, I'll show you what you just put a minus sign and you will do it correctly. Okay. Align this guy with this guy, and that's it. Thank you for coming. He might put a reducer. That's what he's done because the pipe we have done is okay. So we have done a pipe, yeah, and then from here we can draw a pipe, slope down, and then all of them can be connected together, or whatever is the story, wherever. Hmm? Sanitary, right? Yeah, sanitary. Beautiful. So we can do this. Come on, be a good boy. Yes, beautiful. Okay. This can be copied to all of the remaining ones. You'll understand what I mean. Maybe the pipe. Yeah. This is not a good method. This is not a good method. This one. Yeah, because this will be. Listen, you forget this guy for some time. At least this one we can have it copied to everyone. But that will be the same thing, right? Yeah. It's just because of the. Oh, be careful. You don't want the sink to be at the door. Okay. But you get the picture. What I'm trying to convey message, isn't it? This looks good. This looks fine. A weird position of the door, but it is what it is. Okay. I think I should have mirror for this one. Mirror, 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 mirror. Beautiful. Okay. Generally, don't like to have crossing pipes. I would have had the P trap this side, so go straight. Okay, we will do it in that case. This is the problem. I don't know from where we will get 16° or 15° elbow. Just run that. I'm a bit tempted, but let's not be that dude. Just go and have a look at the. It's sometimes called laziness. Yeah. Okay. Might be the best method to do it. Yeah. What is this? So. Okay. What I would have done is. Anyway, hope you understood this, what I've done so far. We will do the piping in the next class. The other one, drainage one. Okay. We will do that in the next class. Okay, I think just see what we have done it. And yeah, we just done a sink with the P-trap with the pellet. The next class we will continue the piping for it. So we should be finishing the drainage for this toilet. We have a sink, we have a toilet. Maybe we need to have shower. That's the other one. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. We'll see each other in the next class. Bye.